Welcome students for today's learning session. Here we have to find the cube root of a given number. Here you can see in the practice set 3.3 the question is to find the cube root of the following numbers. So for this at least you should know the basic thing that prime numbers from 2 to in between 2 to 20. Okay. So in between 2 to 20 prime numbers. 2 is an exceptional number, it's a prime as well as a composite number. 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and 17. So these are the numbers as well as 19. Okay. So these are the prime numbers in between 2 to 20. At least these basic things you will know. You can easily solve this 3.3. So now you have the number as 8000. And you have to find the cube root of this 8000. Okay. Now how you are going to solve it? Go for the prime factorization. So you all might be knowing the prime factorization which you have studied in your lower classes. So here always start with the smallest number. So here I have the smallest prime number, here it is 2. So I'll start for 2. So 2 4s are 8. Okay. So now here comes 0 0 0, means here 2 multiplied by 4000 is 8000. Okay. Now you can carry on the same way. If it is divisible by 2, then you can go for 2 only. So here I have 2 2s are 4, 0 0 zeros. Continuing with the same, 2 1s are 2, means here 2 into 1000 is 2000. So 2. Now here you can take two numbers. Okay. So here I'll have 2 5s are 10 and this 0 0. Okay. Now 2. Here 2 2s are 4. Okay. 2 2s are 4. But here it is 5. So remaining 1 will be go to the next number. It will be 10. So 2 5s are 10 and here 0. So now 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4, again here 2 5s are 10. Now here you can see it's 125 and this number is not divisible by 2. So this 125 is not divisible by 3 also, if you know the divisibility test. So next number will be 5s. So we can take 5 for divisibility here. So here 5 2s are 10. Here I'll have 12. Okay. So 5 2s are 10. So remaining 2 here it will come. So 5 5s are 25. So I have a number as 25 over here. So 5 5s are 25. So 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. So finally I have 1 over here. So here your division completes. Now what you have to do, make a group of 3 numbers each. So here you have 2 2 and 2. Okay. So one group, again 2 2 and 2, it's another group, and here you have group of 5 5 5. So the number which you have in a group, write it once. So here you can write as 2 2 and 5. See here, ones of this bunch, ones of this bunch and 5 here. So I have the number as 2 2 and 5. So what's the answer for this? 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. So here you will have the number as 20. So finally your answer will be, therefore cube root of 8000 is equals to 20. So this way you can find the cube root. So we'll go for the next sum now. Now here I have a number as minus 512, negative number. Okay. So just ignore the minus sign in this and just go for the solution for 512 to find the cube root of 512. Again follow the same pattern. Go for the factorization starting with the lowest number. So here I'll start with the 2 only. So as I have here even number on a units place, so I can go for the division by 2. So 2 2s are 4. Okay, 2 2s are 4. So remaining will go to the next. So here I'll have 11. So 2 5s are 10. So 1 again will go over here. So 2 6 are 12. Now 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 remaining will go to the next number. 2 8s are 16. Now 2 6 are 12. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 6 are 12. Here comes 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. And here comes 2 2s are 4. And here 2 1s are 2. Okay, now here I have the 1. So here complete my division. Now I'll take the numbers in a group of 3. So here I have 3 numbers here, 2 2 and 2. 1, here again 2 2 and 2, second group, and here I have the third group. So here the number which are in one group, I'll take it once. So here I'll have 2 2 and 2. So finally I'll take the multiplication of these numbers. So I'll have the number as 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. So I'll have the answer as 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay. So finally I'll have the answer as cube root of, now I'll take the negative sign, cube root of minus 5 1 2 is equals to minus 8. As cube is a odd number, so you'll have your minus sign only. Okay, so you'll have this answer. One more example I'll take. Now here I have a number as 343. I have to take the cube for this, cube root. Okay, now you can see here in this case, this 343 is not divisible by 2, as here you are having the odd number in the units place. So it's not possible to divide by 2. Even this number is not divisible by 3. If you are knowing the divisibility test, this number is not divisible by 3. Next number is 5. So as there is no 0 nor 5 at the units place, so this number is not divisible by 5 also. So I'll go for the number 7 now directly. So let's see, is it divisible by 7? So 7 4s are 28. Okay, here if you see, 7 4s are 28 is possible over here. So here it remains 6, means 28. 34 minus 28, you will have the remainder as 6. So that remaining number will go to the next number. So here it will become 63. So 7 4s are 28, remaining 6 will go to the next. So it becomes 63. So 7 9s are 63. Okay, 7 4s are 28, 6 here, and this will become 63. So 7 9s are 63. Now 7 7s are 49. So 7 7s are 49. Again 7 1s are 7. So you will have 7 1s are 7. I'll have, now I'm having your 1. So your division completes. Now I'll take the number bunch of a 3. So I'll have only here 7. So I'll take that number only once. So I'm having the number as only 7. So finally I'll write my answer. Therefore cube root of 343 is equals to 7. Okay students, so by knowing the prime factorization, using just prime numbers, go for the factorization. So you will get the final answer. So this way you can find out the cube root for the given numbers. Okay students, Well, by using the prime factorization, you can find the solution for practice set 3.3. Wish you the best luck. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye bye.